G'day guys, welcome back. This is a bit of a super supplemental. As you know, I'll be working on my new scales for my BK16, and I drilled all those holes that I showed you earlier, but of course the old tenon saw wouldn't fit through the holes, so I didn't want to dig them any bigger. So the solution I came up with was use a Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It has a chisel on the back. This is a Ranger, and as you can see, once you've drilled the holes, you can just split it out. I'm going to try and capture this on film so that you can all see what I'm up to. Fingers crossed, eh? Can you guys see that? Can I see you? Yeah, so if you hear a scream or a shower of foul language, you'll know it's gone wrong. But basically, I've just been putting it in there and rocking it back and forth a little bit. Trying not to force anything. Get it in between them. There it goes. And it just splits off. And like that. And then you can clean it up. Can you guys see? Yeah. And just shave it down a little bit like that. Hey, there it goes. As long as you don't knock out more than lower, because of where I measured them. You can see I've measured, left a gap. It won't split lower than the drill holes. Well, that's my theory. Fingers crossed, eh? But so far, so good. There it goes. And there you go. I'm pretty pleased with that. You can see it's marked up. A little bit there needs to come off. Apart from that, we're golden. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching.